Hi friends, I'm Miss Katie, a Youth Services Librarian at Skokie Public Library. I'm excited to see you again for our third video in the Math Party series. Today, we're talking all about measurement. We use measurement in our lives every day. We often use it to compare one thing against another. For instance, the weight of grocery bags can be heavy or light. I have 3 older brothers. I am taller than my oldest brother, but shorter than the other 2. That's comparing height. I have 2 cats. Hank is bigger and heavier than Diana, who is smaller and lighter. That's comparing size and weight. We can also compare by amount. This package contains 400 Q-tips, but it's so light. This bag contains only 3 lemons, but it's heavier and smaller. Other forms of measurement are distance, time, and temperature. I'd like to share a super fun story with you that talks all about comparing and measuring. This is Leah and Luis, Who Has More? Written by Anna Crespo and illustrated by Giovanna Medeiros. This book was published in 2020. I am reading this with permission from the publisher, Charles Bridge Publishing. Leah and Luis, Who Has More? By Anna Crespo and Giovanna Medeiros. Luis is always quick to brag. My tower is taller. Usually, his sister doesn't mind. Ay, Noom! Leah enjoys taking her time. But when they run downstairs to their family's store and pick their favorite Brazilian snacks, I want biscoito de polvilho, papai. Coxinha de galinha, please, says Leah. Luis starts bragging. I have more. And Leah doesn't like it. Leah doesn't look too happy, does she? For once, Luis has a point. His bag of tapioca biscuits is bigger than Leah's bag of croquettes. See, here is Luis's bag, and you can tell that he has a lot of tapioca biscuits in there. And how many croquettes does Leah have? That's right, she only has 2. Luis's bag of tapioca biscuits is taller, wider, and deeper. Luis must have more. So Luis's bag is 4 blocks high, 1, 2, 3, 4. But Leah's bag of croquettes is only 2 blocks high. But Leah is quick to disagree. Can't you count? I have more. She has 2 croquettes. Luis only has 1 bag of biscuits. Maybe Leah does have more. What do you think? Do you think Leah has more? Or does Luis have more? Or maybe not. Noom, I have more. Luis has 1, 2, 3. 98, 99, 100 biscuits. 100 is way more than 2. Luis wins, no doubt. Leah is still not convinced. After all, 1 biscuit is much smaller and lighter than a croquette. Luis just wants to eat, but Leah stops him. Para. Leah thinks some more. She takes her time until the croquettes start to feel heavier and heavier. Leah has a solution. I wonder what that could be. Do you have any ideas? Let's weigh them. Leah runs to the store. She gets the old scale. And they have an answer. I have more, says Leah. Leah's croquettes are heavier. She wins. So Leah's croquettes are heavier. They're making the scale go down, which brings Luis's biscuits up because they're lighter. Luis is sad, but Leah has an idea. Can you see what her idea is? What is she doing there? That's right, she's breaking her croquette apart. And she puts it on top of Luis's biscuits. And now it's equal. Obrigado. Together, they eat up their snacks, but they are always ready for more. More mais. And I like this book because in the back, it has a glossary of all the Portuguese words that are in the book. It tells you what they mean and also how to pronounce them. So I did my best to pronounce all those words the way they should. So that is Leah and Luis. Who has more? Leah and Luis explored lots of comparing and measuring. As they try to figure out who has more, they discover many ways to compare. When they compare by size and count, Luis has more. But when they use the scale to compare by weight, Leah has more. Leah and Luis are building the foundation for understanding more complex math concepts as they get older. For today's activity, we'll be using 3 measurement tools: a ruler, a sand timer, and a measuring cup. I'll be joined by my friend Orson for more measurement fun. I hope you'll join us too. See you there. I'm here with Orson.
Hi, I'm Orson.
And today we will be using 3 different tools to do some measuring. Orson, can you tell us what tools we have?
A ruler, a sand timer, and a measuring cup.
Great, thanks Orson. We'll start with the ruler first. We gathered some leaves from around our neighborhood to measure and compare. We're using a standard 12-inch ruler. The most important part of using a ruler is lining it up correctly to get an accurate measurement. It's also a great way to practice numbers.
Say cheese.
This is something that is helpful to practice with a grown-up. So let's line it up here. here's 5. So we have 5, and then it goes a little bit further.
So let's say 5.5.
Well, a half is right here. So this is 1/4.
1/4.
So the poplar leaf is 5.25 inches. So let's write that down.
Okay.
So you write 5. And then you put a 1, a little 1.
Like that.
And then a line, a slash mark, and then a 4. Right, and then 2 lines up here means inches.
Wait,
Like 2 little dashes. Yep, great job. A sand timer is super fun because it's very simple to use and it's an easy way to measure time. All you have to do is turn it over so all the sand is at the top and it will do the rest. Our sand timer equals about 1 minute. Today we're gonna see how many jumping jacks we can each do before the sand runs out. Orson, do you have any predictions for how many hops or how many jumping jacks we can do in 1 minute?
50.
50.
Oh, no.
We shall see. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 49, 50, 51, 52. Oh my gosh! You were right! Your prediction was so close. Wow, we did 52 in 60 seconds. Pretty cool. Our last tool is the measuring cup. Pouring and scooping are important fine motor skills. It also helps develop hand-eye coordination. Filling cups is a pre-math skill. This is where we can use the terms empty and full or heavy and light. You can also practice filling up the cup to different measurements. You can scoop at the cup itself or use a spoon to fill it. We also have a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Other fun ways to use the measuring cup is during bath time or even at the beach with sand. So how many tablespoons do you think it will take to fill up to the 1 cup?
3.
Okay, so how many was 3? How much did it fill it up?
1.4 cup.
A 1/4 cup. So if 3 filled up a 1/4 cup and there are 4 quarters in 1 cup, how many? Go 3, 6,
8.
9,
10. 1.
4,
5.
6,
7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12.
Thanks for joining us on another exciting math party adventure. I hope you'll join us for our next video all about patterns. Take care, everyone.